you talk about the impact of a high market cap on Pulse Chain? Does it matter? Sure. How much is the market cap of Hex? 100 billion? Okay. Now, if market cap is circulating supply times price, how much of that 100 billion is actually circulating? How much of that 100 billion could you buy if you wanted to? So depending on how you define circulating, the market cap of Hex could be 10 times lower. It really depends on how you define circulating. That's another funny thing people don't understand. They have this fan fiction theory, fantasy, that market cap somehow stops your ability to gain. I got news for you guys. Bitcoin went to $1 trillion market cap. Trillion with a T. If I told you that that was possible 10 years ago, you would have called me a liar. So the idea that you think that there's some price god that looks at the market cap and goes, this price can't go any higher. It's not true. Prices can go higher. So Bitcoin can go to $1 trillion. Ethereum is only, a 3x away from flipping Bitcoin. And Hex is only a 3x away from flipping Ethereum. So it's funny. It'll be funny to see which one of us flips Bitcoin first. Hex or Ethereum or Pulse. But I'm pretty sure Bitcoin's going to get flipped on the market cap. And then the other thing that's funny about market cap is you can't make any money on it. You can't place bids or asks on the market cap chart. It can't fill your orders. Same with the volume. The only people that make money on volume are exchanges and liquidity providers. Normal speculators that buy and hold and hope to sell higher, they do not make money on volume. Another thing, people talk about liquidity. What if everybody wants to sell at once? I don't know. What if everybody wants to sell all the stocks at once? They go to zero. What if everybody wants to get all their money out of the bank at once? No one can. What if everybody wants to sell all the houses at once? They go to zero. What if everybody wants to sell the cars at once? They go to zero. It's the stupidest argument I've ever heard. Hex went from zero supply to 600 billion supply, and the price went up 4,000x. So show me again how higher supply equals price down, because I see higher supply and price up. They're just noobs, and you have to educate them. You're like, by the way, when was the best time to buy Bitcoin? When Satoshi owned 100% of the coins. What happened to centralized ownership meme? Yeah, they're just silly people. When was the best time to buy Bitcoin? When there was no liquidity and no volume. But what about where's the volume memes? People are silly. They're so silly. They think things that don't make sense. Volume's a measurement of how much the users are being victimized by exchanges and market makers. They're getting chopped up. They're getting in and out, in and out, in and out, getting chopped up, getting a smaller stack. We've seen this in Hex. People think they sold the top. Price runs away from them. They have to buy higher. Now they just have less Hex. They had more Hex. Now they have less Hex. They could have had more money. Now they have less because they had to chase the market because they tried to time the market. So I'm teaching you things about volume. I'm teaching you things about market making. I'm teaching you things about security. I'm teaching you things about, how many people know about factoring business receivables? You got to be a real business person to know these things. So I'm teaching you stuff you're not going to learn anywhere else. And the people that have learned from me have done very well. They've done very, very well.